we have the basic setup here all done, let's take a look at the settings next. So here is where we can do a little bit more within our app itself. We can change whether or not users can save their submission, and we will be able to set the security for this app. So if this is locked down, maybe you want to leave that on, you could also turn it off. You can add to home screen modal so that they see that when the user opens the app. You can also let them see a progress bar. This is also where you would turn your app on or off, or you could turn it off on a certain date. Maybe this is an event app and you have events running for a month and then that's it. You could set that up here. All right. Next, we have our name, customization. So new app, probably not great. We'll just call this directory for company X. Okay. You can preview it. You can edit the icon from here as well. So we put that icon on the home screen. Even though we took it off the header, we did set it for the entire app. So you can go ahead and make that adjustment here as well if you would like it to be something else. Just come down through. You can either type, search, or look at the different options manually. And then we have the splash screen. So here, a little customization that you can do, background color, font color. And if you click customize, that will turn it on and off for each of these settings. Perfect. Now we'll move on to publish. This is where we'll look at whether or not we want to have public access or more secure access. So this will depend on what the purpose of your app is. As you can see, if you click on the settings, you can have public access, but also require registration. You can also lock this down to be private access that will automatically click the require registration and will allow users to access their submissions through the app. So for my use case, this is perfect because members are going to be submitting themselves. If I'd like them to change or adjust any information, I want them to have access to the information. You can also lock it down to company access if you're using it for something else. And you can also set a custom expiration date for the share link. This is especially useful, again, depending on what your use case is for this. But if you have a limited window that you would like people to have availability to this, go ahead and set up this. And you can set your expiration date as well as the time zone. All right, that is how you style the app itself. Next, we'll take a look at the different forms and tables and how to connect everything.